Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Nissan Maxima windshield wipers. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver for some blade types. Before you begin, place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent damage if the wiper arm accidentally springs back. This simple step can save you from costly repairs. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the arm. Remember to hold the arm firmly so it doesn't snap back and hit the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Before driving, spray some water on your windshield and activate the wipers to check their performance. This ensures they clear the glass effectively and quietly, providing clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.